London. Do you think that that's like so annoying for people, like the same way when people try to say like, hey y'all in Texas? You guys, I'm in London, and all I've been doing is playing Spice Girls. Look how beautiful. I think we're staying apparently in a very central part of London, and it is now almost 10 p.m. We got lots going on, peeps. So the same thing we did in Toronto, I am now in London, and we're doing basically a press tour for Tinted. There's gonna be a pop-up, there's gonna be some interviews, there's gonna be an influencer brunch, and the interviews start right now. I'm on my way to BBC, which feels really cool and legit, so I'm kind of excited. You guys, do you remember in Toronto how we had customs issues with all the Huesticks? It's happening again, so we may not have any Huesticks for tomorrow, but you know, we'll figure it out. We'll just roll with it. We're just gonna roll with it, you know? You feel me? We're in London town! Oh my God, I'm sorry. I see a telephone booth. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. I've been listening to Taylor Swift's London Boy like since the second I got it. That one has a bunch of garbage, but I will be taking a photo in front of a red telly. Do you call it telly? What do you call it? Is it a telephone booth? Yeah. Oh, there's no special name.
The telly is the TV.
The telly is a TV. I'm one big walking stereotype. It is day 2 in London, and I am getting my makeup done by Tanji. Yes. And Amir is back to do, oh. I don't think I even showed you yesterday on my vlog, but that's Amir, and he's just beautiful, right? Pooja works for the PR company we hired to help us with London efforts. What is going down today, Pooja?
So we have a slightly hectic day. We have an interview that's happening in around an hour, and then we have
with BBC.
Yeah, a nice radio interview, and then we have our influencer lunch, which is exciting.
Yeah,
we've got some cool people attending. We're gonna schmooze and eat good food.
Anyways, I'm gonna continue getting ready, but it is day 2, London town. I'm gonna go back to playing every Spice Girl song or something, London now. Amir is the one in charge of all the PR stuff happening this entire trip. And we are on our way back to BBC. Today's topic, less controversial. Yesterday was about influencer culture toxic. I don't usually like to talk about things that even feel a little negative, but I do have a specific opinion about that, so that was interesting. Today we're going back to BBC Radio and talking specifically about Live Tinted, and then we are having our very first London influencer brunch, and I can't wait to show you my outfit because it's real cute. Should I just like strip? Ow! Now with my brand that I've launched with Live Tinted, it's the forefront of what I want to do is make people feel very comfortable with their identity and their culture and where they come from, and make it so people are proud of that. And I love, you know, dye your hair blonde, get blue contacts, but do it as a choice because that's what you want, rather than because society tells you that. How did it go? I think it went well. Jill knows some things about makeup now that he didn't know before. But now we are going to the influencer brunch. That is next. I keep saying I want to go to Dishoom and everyone makes fun of me.
What?
I sound really tourist, right? Because it's like, oh, let's go to London and go to Dishoom.
Well, it's a very British.
But it's also very good, so that is why.
Yeah.
I asked Samir if I sound more crazy talking like this and being like a real American, or if I sound crazier trying to talk like this and fit in. What's the answer?
The answer is you sound crazier when you try and talk British.
Oh, bloody hell. Where are we walking through right now?
This is Kingly Court.
Okay.
And your favourite Dishoom is coming up on the left.
I think we should try to go there for breakfast because apparently they have a good breakfast.
Bang it.
Okay, I've never had that.
And then we cross over and we're in Carnaby Street, which is another very cool area.
Spotted. Lex excited about a man playing an accordion. I appreciate the fact that Lex and I appreciate different things in life. Look at her. Look how famous she looks with these sunglasses. Where are we on our way to? What's the restaurant name?
Mint Leaf.
Mint Leaf. Mint Leaf.
We're on our way to
Which is Indian fusion or Indian?
It is quite fusion actually. Yeah.
It is quite fusion, so there you go. I'm meeting all new people. I don't know any influencers coming here, which is really cool. That's how it was in Canada too.
Yeah.
It's nice. It'll be fun. And that is a wrap, you guys, for my first ever influencer brunch in London. What a moment, man. Whew, this just keeps happening and I'm just like going with it. I feel very excited and happy, and you know, even though Found was the only color there and they didn't get the other shades, I promised all the influencers I would get it to them, and they were so kind. They were just so kind, you know? All you can ask at the end of the day is that people are kind, and they were just so sweet and lovely. And now I'm going back to the hotel to change to go to dinner with my friend Deepica Mutyala. She happens to be in town at the same time, which is great. And it's gonna be a great night. London, baby. I need to stop saying that. It's official. This is crazy. This entire wall, just casually walking by in London to see Cezanne everywhere. And then there's one magazine with Lady Gaga. Not that I'm on the cover of this, but Tinted is inside of it for winning a Future Beauty Award. And then there's Cezanne everywhere. This is crazy. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. Amir and Soraya killed it on the glam today, and I need to stop doing my awful accent. Oh, that's not Soraya. There she is.
Why, Deepica, have you not been influenced by my lovely accents?
I have been trying, and it's been a fail. But these sunglasses make me feel like Jagga, so we're gonna do a little Jagga dance for you guys.
Gotta do the legs.
What's
It's on the legs.
It's on the moves like Jagga, like this.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you gotta get the head in there.
Okay.
This is the move that's currently happening.
Moves like Jagga. I got the moves. We are on our way to Madeline Spencer's podcast, and her podcast is called Beautiful, and I'm very excited to meet her because Pooja has raved about her, and we had a little call yesterday prepping for it, so it's gonna be a beautiful day here in London town.
Yes, we look forward to listening to the podcast.
It's so funny because I think you sound more sophisticated.
No, I could listen to your voice all day on the radio.
Do you think it's offensive hearing me try to do a British accent?
No, I think it's brilliant. Oh, I think we're here.
Brilliant. Okay, Madeline, here we come. When you're a kid, it's almost like you have this like tension with your family, and now they're my best friends, my #1 supporters, but growing up, my parents are immigrants. They are from India, and they came to this country to provide every possible opportunity for myself and my sister, and so and to them that meant education on education on education. So it meant get a degree and another degree and become a doctor. And I didn't do any of those things. They're very proud of me now, but I have the best parents in the world. They're very, very traditional. Okay. I literally wore this last night and I was like, I'm gonna wear this to Madeline Spencer's podcast.
It looks great, but yeah, do you have to commit to taking the whole thing off to go to the loo?
Yeah, it's pain.
To the loo.
To the loo. Thanks for having me,
Right,
though.
thank you for coming on.
Of course. Pooja has a really, really important question to ask right now, and I think it warranted attention. What is this question, Pooja?
So, on behalf of the UK, I'd like to publicly ask why there are such big gaps in the public toilet stalls in America. Do people enjoy watching people pee? Is it just like, are you trying to find something out? What's the deal?
The answer to this?
I don't get it.
Lakshmi, what's the answer?
I mean, I think it's so you can see if people are in there.
But it's locked. That's what it locks for.
I know, but you can just like quickly like, oh yeah, human.
I haven't thought about it to know the answer, but on behalf of America, we apologize that it bothers you.
It really disturbs me and freaks me out.
You sometimes can figure out if somebody's like sits on the toilet.
Yes.
If they're a hoverer.
And it's just, you know, the eye contact.
I'm a hoverer.
Yeah,
The germs gross me out, man. I can't sit.
Also a quad workout.
And if I do sit, then I gotta put 2 pieces of toilet paper.
No, the good thing about America is everywhere has the little covers.
This is the best conversation we've had of this entire trip.
What's drink?
Anyways,
Like the internal.
Podcast is over.
Yeah.
We're getting some
Like
grub.
in the US.
And guess what kind of grub? Indian food. Shocking. I personally have been told that I look like Deepica Mutyala, so I'm just gonna throw that out there.
Who's this guy?
I look like this guy.
Shah Rukh Khan.
That's me.
You're I'm done. I'm obsessed with my outfit, and we just got to Reshma's store. The meet and greet part starts actually in like 30 minutes. We just got here and people are here and we're about to start the pop-up. You guys, I'm so excited. My heart's like racing. Can't believe there's thousands of people. It's also cold outside, so the fact that there's people here. This is Reshma.
Hello.
And this is her beautiful store, and this is the first time I'm seeing any of your stuff in real life. And like, I feel like I need to get married tomorrow so I can wear something. Like what? This is like royalty stuff. Like this is crazy. I would be so honored to wear this to my next event if that.
We have dressed the royal family actually.
Oh, well. So basically I would be royalty. I'm in great company. I love that two women of color are coming together and doing this.
I'm really happy to support. I think
This
it's
is
a great
awesome.
thing, and you've obviously created an amazing brand.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
This is gonna be fun. Today's gonna be fun, and I'm so excited. Give everyone hugs. And there's people already here, and Pooja's wearing rice. You're
and I
actually
had
letting me
compliments.
videotape you?
Yeah, because I have makeup on.
Okay.
You look
Everything's
great.
going great.
You look-
I can't really breathe. I have Skims on right now, but you know, I feel great. Let's go do this. London pop-up, baby. Ah!
What's your hue? What's your glow? What's your shade? Let them know. I'm just in my zone, dripping in melanin, shining like gold. I look good, no makeup, but I still rock it when I want. I'ma dance to my own drum, bum 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 bum. We glowed up, we glistening, we show up. That skin we in, let them all talk. Not listening, it's our life, we living it. Glowed up, we glistening, we show off. That skin we in, let them all talk.
Holy crap, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap, and it's done. Are you about to pass out? You guys, we did it, and that was the sweetest cake surprise ever. I need a hug. It was amazing. This was such an emotional thing.
She smashed it.
Did I though? Did I smash it? Man, oh man, like this has been so surreal for me, you guys. Like I just don't know what else to say besides like, holy crap, the line around the corner, hugging every single one of you. Every single time we do these pop-ups, every single time, it just re-emphasizes to me the purpose and what we're building. And every time a girl hugs me and says to keep going, it just drives me. And I can't thank every single human from this team who helped put this together. They all are getting credits in the description below, because literally nothing, if you're an entrepreneur out there, nothing is possible without a team. So it is now 8 o'clock. I got an 8 a.m. flight to New York, and there is a lot happening in New York. I'm doing a summit with Bobby Brown on Monday. I am going to our manufacturers to work on some future products. There's a lot happening. So between 8 p.m. for my 8 a.m. flight, I'm going to get one drink to enjoy London town because I want to. So surreal. One last thing. If you are somebody out there who wants to go for your dream, please just go do it. The worst thing you could do is regret not trying, you know? And who knows, next thing you'll be doing is hosting a pop-up in London and living out your dreams. So go out there and do it. I'll see you guys next time.